Hey everybody, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is week 2 of the 52 week challenge and we are going to be doing another giveaway, of course, but thank you to everybody who has commented a number. Now let me just review some of the rules just in case you have forgotten. So last week we commented a number and then I pick from my little snowflake box. This week we are picking a number also, but all 52 numbers besides the number 18 that we chose last time or last week will all be in here. So if I choose a number and you pick the number, then you get a $10 Amazon gift card. Now if I pick like number 27 and nobody has guessed number 27, then we will not do a giveaway. So it is a, I don't know how you can say it, how you would say it, but it's a challenge. So it's pretty fun also because there might be a giveaway and there might not be a giveaway. The more people that play, the more times that we are going to be doing giveaways. But anyways, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification because I do these videos, these 52 week challenges on Tuesday at 5 p.m. So you do not want to miss that. So let's just get right into it. So we have 20 names. Oops. 20 names here, and then the first comment started right here on number 36 and then ended with Alicia. I'm hopefully that I am saying your name right, but she was the winner last week, which I have written down the winner for January the 5th, and she did claim her giveaway. So congratulations once again for winning last week. Now, like I said, if you won the previous week, you will not be eligible to win the gift card this week, but you can still guess. So like I said, you have to wait out a week before you can participate into the giveaway and try to win a gift card again. All right, so like I said, 20 people has guessed, and let's see what we are going to pull. Let's pull this one. We are pulling or coloring number 32. So number 32. Now let's go and check to see if somebody has guessed number 32. And nobody has guessed number 32, so there will not be a giveaway this week, but you still have next week to try and guess the right number. So let's go ahead and get our pen ready. So we are going to be putting $32. And I'm trying to find my calculator, but I can't find my calculator. We're just going to add that, which is fine. So I'll do 8, 9, 10, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to have $50 is the total that we're going to be having this week. And here is the cash. So I have exactly $52 right here. So we are going to be doing that. Let's find $32. I'm probably going to have to make some change, most likely. So let's see. I did 18 last week. Let's see if we can find something to break it down. Maybe card maintenance. Card maintenance might have it. So there's 1020. So let's do that. That will be good. All right. So we're going to do 20, 30, 31, and 32. So that is $32 that we are going to be stuffing. And let's go ahead and count to make sure that we have $50. 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So $50. So that is a strong start, and it's only week 2. We're already $50 in. So that is really, really exciting. And it's actually a bigger number too, because we are always trying to knock out the big numbers. So we'll have the little numbers towards the end of the year because of Christmas and the holidays and everything like that. All right, so let's go ahead and do number 32. I want to pause the camera real quick just so I can figure out what color that we are going to be using. All right, so we are going to be coloring in pink. Like I said, we have 3 different colors that we're going to be using. We have a pink, a purple, and a yellow that we're going to be using this coming up year. So let's go ahead and color it in, and then I'll just talk to you guys just a little bit. So I printed this out from Google Docs, but my really good friend on YouTube, her name is Lupita. She did the 52-week challenge last year, and she actually made her own template. And I have not seen her new video yet because I'm still trying to catch up on videos. I'm very, very behind, but I know that she made a new template, and it's the bingo version. So I'm going to link her stuff down below, and I am hoping, once I get to the video, I'm hoping that I can possibly print it out, buy it, support her on Etsy, print it out, and then we can have a new template and follow hers. So we will just see about that, but I'm kind of liking this for right now. Let me know if, I'm pretty sure I can probably just play both of them, use this and hers, just so y'all can see different variations of templates that other people are using. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is short, sweet, and to the point. We stuffed $32 today, so that equals to $50 this week. It is only week 2. Thank you so much for supporting me, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you are guessing those numbers because we will be doing a $10 gift card again next week. I was about to say next year, but again next week. So be sure to comment, and hopefully your number will be chosen next week. But like I said, there's so many numbers to choose from, and you're just going to have to keep guessing, and fingers crossed that you will win. But anyways, love you guys, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have a channel, also let me know if you're doing this challenge on your channel. I would love to go and support you guys. I would love to cheer you on during this time of the year. Anyways, like I said, love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.